Who has joined Medicate Stories as principal advisor? Answer Sunil Gavaskar. Who is the missionary whose death anniversary is observed as the International Day of Charity? Answer Mother Teresa. What status has been conferred to NCERT by the Indian Education Minister? Answer Deemed University. Which team won the 2023 Durand Cup? Answer Mohan Bagan. Who won the inaugural Men's Hockey 5S Asia Cup 2023? Answer India. Where will be held the G20 Summit 2023? Answer Delhi. Which city in India is known as the City of Temples? Answer Bhubaneswar. Where will the Investor Global Summit 2023 be held? Answer Dehradun. Where is the 43rd Asian Summit being held? Answer Jakarta. Which company has developed India's first AI-powered anti-drone system? Answer Grenier Robotics. Who is the new Principal Chief Operation Manager of Central Railway? Answer Shyam Sundar Gupta. Which state will have the country's first solar city? Answer Madhya Pradesh. Which company is the official sponsor of the Indian contingent for the 19th Asia Games 2022? Answer Amul. Which country has unveiled the world's first portable hospital Arogya Maitri Cube? Answer India. When does the Ministry of Education observe Literacy Week in 2023? Answer 1st to 8 September. Who was crowned Miss International India 2023? Answer Praveena Anjana. Who is the President of the 78th UN General Assembly? Answer Denis Francis. Where did the researchers create synthetic embryos from stem cells? Answer Israel. When is International Literacy Day 2023 celebrated? Answer September 8. On which date is World Physiotherapy Day 2023 celebrated? Answer September 8. Where will PepsiCo India set up its new food manufacturing plant? Which country did the Chief Justice of India visit to sign the MoU on judicial cooperation? Answer: Singapore. In which city was the country's first underground power transformer installed? Answer: Bangalore. Who won the Italian Grand Prix 2023? Answer: Max Verstappen. Which state is planning to introduce a bill in December to ban polygamy? Answer: Assam. Who has taken charge as the Principal Director General of Akashvani? Answer: Dr. Vasudha Gupta. Which state will have India's first Gorilla Glass factory? Answer: Telangana. Where will be held the 2023 IWF World Weightlifting Championship? Answer: Saudi Arabia. When is the International Day to Protect Education from Attack? Answer: September 9. Who launched the Malviya Mission Teacher Training Program in India? Answer: Dharmendra Pradhan.